Hello, and welcome to the demo video for Ignition's ServiceM8 add-on MyCopier. This add-on can be seen as a substitute for ServiceGuru's add-on Job Duplicator, which makes it easy and simple to duplicate job cards with only select information from an existing one. Now let's get on to it. Firstly, the MyCopier add-on icon is a little photocopier true to its name. Click into it and you will find the page where you can manage your presets. Let's try making one, shall we? Click Create Preset. When making a preset, you're choosing what information you wish to copy, which may be useful when a customer has requested a job that is the same as one you've done before. For this preset, let's choose to name it Preset 2. Now, let's say that for this preset, we want to know the job description, materials and services, and forms. Now, all we have to do is click Submit, and the preset is good to go. Let's open up a job to see this preset in action. Press on a job, click More, hover your mouse over Add-ons. Then you can choose MyCopier. Here, you choose the preset you wish to use, which in our case would be Preset 2, and we choose Submit. You will get the Copy Executed Successfully message if all goes well, and you will see that a new job has been created with the information you chose to include, while the others remain blank. That's all you need to know to use the MyCopier add-on effectively. Thank you for watching.